program that you followed when you were in your 20s and your 30s is the exact thing that's holding you back now. We see this all the time. Women over the age of 40, 50 and beyond that come in frustrated because they said, you know what, what used to work suddenly stopped working. So we're going to talk about the old way of doing fitness and what the new way that gets results after the age of 40. Because make no mistake about it, after the age of 40, your number one goal has to be reset and rebuild your metabolism. Your metabolism is sluggish, it is stalled, it is slow. And if you keep doing more of the same, you're going to get less and less and less. So what is the old way of working out? Old way of working out is doing more cardio. Listen, in our 20s and our 30s, an extra spin class, go for an extra run, all of that worked and it worked wonderfully. But after the age of 40, when our metabolism starts to slow down, that actually backfires. What does work is more of a strength first approach, and here's why. Nothing will reset your metabolism like strength training.